I'm trying Mountain Dew Caribbean Splash. This is part of the Baja Blast new versions. Same thing like the passion fruit. It probably will have a little bit of Baja Blast flavor mixed with, in this case, guava or Caribbean, as it's described on the label. Let's find out. Okay, so with the Baja Blast, excuse me, with the passion fruit version, you got very passion fruit, very Baja Blast forward with a passion fruit component. I would say this is very guava forward with a Baja Blast finish. Here we go. Let's try it again. I'll give you the breakdown. All right. Right off the bat, yeah, it's just like you're drinking a glass of guava juice. Maybe a little bit like a tropical punch flavor as it lingers in your mouth. And now it tastes like I'm drinking a Baja Blast at Taco Bell. James, you want to try this one?
Oh, yeah.
Stand up. This is very dramatic. No, just take it with your hands. Thank you.
It's very sweet.
Uh-huh.
And it kind of has a berry and a cherry texture.
Texture. Okay. Nice. It's got the James. I don't know. Did you like it, James?
Yeah.
It's got the James seal of approval. Kaya, you're too little to have it. You can't have pop. You babies can't have pop. Anyway, this has been another review with Kyle and Micaiah.